Wow. How do you contain your excitement?
I don't know. It takes a lot of years to do it.
A lot of years to contain your excitement?
Yeah.
When did you start this?
Much too early.
As soon as you were born?
Yeah. Put me right out in the fields.
Really? The day you were born, huh?
Yeah. Well, I was born in a bird pen.
Interesting. I hope none of these birds is your mom.
I hope not either.
You're pretty proficient at this.
I read a lot of other
Oh yeah?
like football.
Yeah? Hey, it really showed today. It's getting kind of dark.
What?
It's getting kind of dark.
Yeah.
Hope this turns out. How many of these do you have to do tonight?
Well, I just have to do half.
All 12, so 6?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to get a light, aren't you?
Yeah.
I seriously didn't know birds ate this much.
Yeah, I can. A word to the young, stay in school. Supposed to be doing this shit.
When you're not gonna be doing bird stuff when you're 40?
A kid that's gonna do it all.
I don't think you can see anything anymore. Okay, make some closing remarks. I gotta close this because it's dark. That's a closing remark?
Yeah.
I don't think you can see anything.
Goodbye.